Welcome guys, welcome to my next video. In this video, we will be learning about a Java program that will be created in a BlueJ environment about a perfect number. So before starting off, I want you to know what is a perfect number is. Perfect number is really a number. Perfect number is said to be a number where the sum of factor is equal to its original number. So let's begin. Let's clear up the space. Then firstly, we would be importing the util package because we have to use the scanner class for the code, and for that, after importing the util package, we will be creating the public class perfect. After creating it, we would be initializing it with the public static void main in order to create the main method. After that this is done, we would be taking a scanner input. The scanner input will be created by an object sc system.in, then giving the print statement for the user what he has to input. So here we want the user to input a number, so we are giving the command enter a number. After our user has given the input, we would be initializing the number as in. We are taking the int variable because we want the user to give it in the integer format. After this, what we want is to create the sum of factors, or rather we can say we want to find out the factors. For that, we need to bring a loop. In this, we have to initialize I as 1, and I is will be lesser than equals to, not equals to actually, because the factors would be excluding the number itself. So I lesser than the particular number I plus plus. So the loop will begin, and inside the loop what we will do is, inside the loop we would actually find out the factors. How we would do that? Let's find it out. So I equals to 1, I lesser than no, and I plus plus. After this, what we will do is, if no mod I equals to 0, we could actually say that creating a sum variable over here, we would create a sum variable in sum equals to 0, where we would actually initialize the sum equals to sum plus I, I. So it would actually collect the sum. After this is done, what we can do is, if sum equals to the number itself, we could actually print the line and say that system dot out dot println, we can say that our number is perfect. Again, in the else block, we have to create another print statement where we would write the same line again, system.out.println, number is not perfect. So yes, after doing it, we would compile the code. Class compiled, no syntax error. We would first give, we would write, sorry, I would like to clear the terminal window. Yes, stop the initializing button. While enter a number, they're asking us to enter number 6. Number is perfect because the sum of the factor is 1, 2 and 3, okay, of 6. While if we choose 7, number is not perfect. So yeah, as you can see, our code is completely working. So yes, let's end this video here. If you have really enjoyed it, please like, share and subscribe our channel.